Brain, very important part of the body. I would say the most important part of your body. If the brain is functioning well, all other system of the body will function well. But if the brain will not function, then the other system will start dying. And how the brain will function well? If you give enough oxygen supply, if you give enough oxygenated blood supply to the brain. Today practice is going to be about that. How to take care of the brain and how to improve this oxygen supply to the brain. Namaste to all yogis. Welcome back to your YouTube channel, Prashantj Yoga. Today practice, we are going to learn how to increase the oxygen level in our body. Stay tuned. Do not miss any step. Learn the techniques and share this technique to others also. Let's begin the practice. Brain is a boss of whole body. The work of the brain is to keep other organs alive, but at the same time to keep himself also alive. And for that what it does, the brain receives the food from the breath. How much deeper you breathe, your brain function very well because brain need oxygen supply. It's a fuel, oxygen is a fuel, but sometimes due to depression, due to overwork, due to tension, due to so many thoughts, not proper sleep, the oxygen supply get less in the brain, and because of that, as a result, brain stop functioning well. Once it happens, other organs are affected. When your brain doesn't get enough oxygen, what you feel? You feel tired, you feel demotivated, you feel depressed, you feel tension, you don't feel any spark of living. The age of these organs of the body start decreasing slowly due to not having enough oxygen supply. How to increase the oxygen supply to the brain or to the body? Today technique, I am going to teach you. These techniques are created by yogis in past years. We just need to apply them, that's it. Very simple. But the problem is that we don't do it. I would request everyone to learn the technique today. Whatever I am teaching you, start from today only and see the benefits and teach to others also, so everyone near you can live happy, healthy life. So what is this technique? Understand. This technique is called retention, Kumbhaka. Kumbhak means holding the breath. Holding the breath, what it happens when you hold the breath? Listen, when you hold the breath inside the body, so it means what you are doing. When you hold the breath, it means you are cutting the supply of the oxygen to the brain. It means you are not allowing more oxygen, more inhalation to your body. So what will happen? The carbon dioxide start increasing slowly. And when the carbon dioxide increases to the brain, what brain does? Brain send the signal to the circulatory system to send the circulation, because blood carries the oxygen, right? So it will send the circulation to the brain and to refill it, to give this energy, to give this oxygen supply, and then it will start functioning good for some period of time. But if you don't stop, what happens? Brain want more oxygen, and there the miracle happens when you learn this technique. Because after, when the brain demand more oxygen, that time when you give the oxygen proper way, then that is a time when brain receive more, everything start working well. So the technique is that you need to hold the breath, but holding the breath is not randomly holding the breath. You might see so many videos of Kumbhaka, just random, but this technique is for the brain and specific technique, specific steps you need to perform. What you have to do? You have to sit straight, any position. You can sit in a chair also, no problem. Rest your hands here. Inhale through mouth. You make a beak like a bird and start inhaling through the mouth. Question comes, why not from the nose? Understand why. We have an old habit. We are breathing through the nose since childhood. We have a habit, and this habit is developed by us due to our wrong actions. What is the habit? We don't breathe deeper with the nose because we don't have a sensation of the lungs while inhaling. We just feel the breath is moving in the belly, and we just breathe. So sensation is not here. So when the sensations are not enough in the lungs, so you're not breathing with full capacity of the lungs. But when I'm saying inhale through the mouth, you can check, you can experiment now. Inhale through the nose, and now inhale through the mouth. What happens? When you inhale through the mouth, you feel little heaviness in your lungs. It means now your lungs are receiving more, but systematic way. Not together, systematic, with a proper pace, not quickly, proper pace, and that pace increases the length of the inhalation. But when you breathe through the nose, inhalation length is very less. It is not a deep inhale. But when you breathe from the mouth, this way, the way I'm explaining you, the breath is more deeper. And that's what I need, and what you need also. So, sit straight simply, inhale through the mouth. After inhaling, I want you to hold your breath onto your belly. I don't want you to hold the breath into your chest. Hold into belly. Hold 15 seconds for beginner, 30 seconds for those who are experienced and those who can stay longer. Hold here. After holding, you will feel little dizziness sometime. You will feel little bit, uncomfortable. You feel that everything is blanked. Sometime body is moving. No problem. Stay there. And then after that, once you feel that now you cannot stay more than this, you exhale. Still through the mouth, but the same way. What happens when you exhale through the mouth? You're extending your exhalation too. Exhalation and inhalation becomes longer, and that we need exactly. Start again. Inhale. Hold into your belly. 15 seconds everyone. Beginner. Exhale. Longer, longer, longer. Again inhale. When you feel that the breath reaches to the throat, stop. Into your belly. Expand the belly like a balloon. 15-30 seconds. After that you exhale. So this technique you have to do. How much you should do this? You should do this at least 5 times. And once you do 5 times, after that, one beautiful technique and one very effective technique you need to apply right after that. So what happens when you hold the breath? You are stimulating the brain to take more oxygen. That is the time you should start through the nose. How? Understand. Close the right nostril now. Only one nostril you will inhale. Again, if you inhale through both nostrils, the length of the breath is short. I don't want this. I want more oxygen supply to the body. So close the right nostril, start inhaling through the left. Reach up and then exhale through the right, long. Inhale again, right. Exhale left. This is the technique. So first you do holding one, retention Kumbhaka. You will hold there. For 5 rounds you will do this technique. Right after 5 rounds you will do Anulom Vilom. Those who don't know how to do Anulom Vilom, I have made the video, link in description. That is Nadi Shodhan video where I am explaining what is Anulom Vilom, what is a Nadi Shodhan. This technique you should do. So how much you should do? Anulom Vilom. You will do 7 rounds. Inhale, exhale right. Inhale, exhale other nostril. That is 1 cycle. 7 cycle. So first Kumbhaka, holding breath, the way I explained, then 7 cycle of Anulom Vilom. The 2 practices every morning. Once you will do this and once you will start maintaining the regularity of practice, you will see how the brain function positively. How the brain help other organs to function very well. Your body will be healthy. Your whole life will be healthy. What are the benefits? The first benefit, it improves the memory, especially for kids. Those Parents, if they are watching my video, give this gift to your kids. The biggest gift you can give this yogic practice, and that is to improve the function of the brain. So it improves the memory. Those who forget the things quickly, doesn't remember. For example, you read right now, you don't remember just after a few hours, or you don't remember what you ate yesterday. Short memory improves the memory. Second, improves the vision. So who has eyes problem, cannot see in a distance or close distance, practice this technique. It will help you. Migraine, regular migraine, headache, tension, depression, anxiety, so many thoughts, insomnia, full benefits. Try these 2 techniques every morning. Okay, it will help you a lot. If your other organs are not functioning, autoimmune disorder, this is very good practice for you also. You should try. Now the question comes, high blood pressure. Don't stay more than 15 seconds when you are holding the breath. Okay, rest you can do. Otherwise, everyone can practice this. Don't practice in lying position. Practice only in sitting position like this. Maybe you can place something under the buttocks to elevate the hips so that you are straight back. Because if the back is not straight, your body will be like this and you cannot even breathe deeper. Then there's no reason to practice this. Understand? I hope you learn this beautiful technique. I hope you will continue this practice and share this practice to others. If you are new, you can subscribe this channel, because this is how you will learn and you will continue your yogic journey with me. I will see you in next video. Namaste.